Welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you so much for 3,700 subscribers that we just hit. In this video, I kind of want to summarize how 2026 is going to go. I know we're already kind of into it a bit, but the weather is now becoming warmer. There's going to be a lot more videos coming out. So I'm going to give you a little rundown of my goals and what I'm going to be posting. So as you guys know, in the videos last year in 2025, we built a go-kart track and we were all working on go-karts and souping them up, and that was super fun. But 2026, I got a little bit different of a goal. So I've had my YouTube channel for about 5 years now, and I've posted over 159 videos. So that is a decent amount of videos, but for like 5 years, it's not the best ratio. There's been times where I haven't posted a video for a month or something, or 2 months. So in this year, I want to challenge myself to posting 100 videos. So I've already posted 6 videos this year, but I want to post 100 before 2027. So if I did the math correct, that's a video every like 2.5 days. So this is going to be a huge challenge for me, but it's something I think I really want to pursue, and I wanted to post this video to make you guys aware of that, because you guys can keep me locked in. But for the most part, I got this book I went and picked up, and I've been writing down all my video ideas in here and writing down my thoughts and where I want to be at by 2027, which is hopefully going to help me stay focused in accomplishing this goal and give me the discipline I need. So yeah, what are some of the things you're going to be seeing on the channel in 2026? Well, I just picked up this beauty. This is a 2015 Polaris RZR 1000. We just went to Blue Holler with it. It was an insane trip. It's just literally a Friday night and a Saturday trip of off-roading, but I swear when you go off-roading, that's all you need. So I'll throw in some photos of that actually, right? Like here and here, and maybe one more, because it looks so cool there. It's right by Mammoth Cave, so if you guys don't know, there's a whole bunch of rock formations and little caves at this off-road park, since it's butted literally right up to the national park. And yeah, it was a fun time to say the least. But what you're going to be seeing is you're going to be seeing a lot of side-by-side mod videos, because I'm obsessed with this thing and making it look cool. Like I just put grill lights in the front of it and just did a whole bunch of maintenance to it too. Like check this out. See the little blue lights in the grill right there? Super sick. And I put a chase bar on the back and all that. So I have a video reviewing my chase bar, and I put this winch in the front. I'll have a video on how to install this thing that I filmed already. But I also have a Mastercraft boat that I bought last year and used all summer. Absolutely amazing. Made tons of memories with that thing, but I didn't film anything. So, I mean, I have a 4th of July video filmed on my other YouTube channel, 217 Life. That will be linked in the description, where we went the 4th of July and watched fireworks out on the lake with that boat. If you guys want to go watch that video, but there's going to be a whole bunch of boat content this year. I put a sound system in it last summer, so I'm going to be making a review on that and showing you my system, which is sick. And other things are my truck. So my truck is getting a little bit rusty, so there might be some videos on fixing it up. I got a whole bunch of fiberglass panels down in my basement for it, as well as making some reviews on, I've done mods to it, and I've had it for over 6 years. So what are the best mods? What have I had to do to it since owning it, with 100,000 miles, with it being over 200,000 miles now. All the like work that needed done to it, which wasn't much. They're a good truck, 3.5 EcoBoost, don't sleep on them. But yeah, to possibly getting a different truck this year, keeping the old truck still, my F-150, I love that thing, but there might be another truck that comes into the mix here. And pursuing my trailer rental business. So I've had a couple videos in the past on that I've put out, but there'll be more on that as I grow the business and modify some of the trailers and put customizations in them to make them more ideal for my renters. There'll be videos on that. So stay tuned for videos on that, because those are always good ones as well. And don't forget, We have a go-kart track now, which is probably going to be turned into a dirt bike track and side-by-side track as well, like a kind of universal thing. So there'll be more go-kart videos. I got a drone. My buddy crashed it. The gimbal's kind of broken on it. It's not calibrating correctly or something, so something's obstructing it, so I got to get that figured out. But we should have some sick drone content this year on the boat, which will help filming things on the boat a lot more fun and easy, because I mean, nobody wants to watch me hold the camera inside the boat the whole time. You want the better clips of being on the outside, different perspectives and everything. But yeah, so with that, as some of you know, a while ago I had a 1973 Mustang. There's going to be videos coming out on that. It's at my buddy's house right now, and I've been working a ton on it. The amount of hours you have to spend on these old cars is absolutely insane, but she's going to be pretty one day, so we're putting new floors in it right now. I just got the driver's side wrapped up, and now I got to cut out the passenger side and throw in a passenger floor. So those videos are all filmed up. Be expecting some of those to be posted here soon. So yeah, I don't know, 100 videos in 2026, it's gonna be hard, but I think I'm up for it, because we're gonna have the fun little vlog style videos. We're gonna have review videos of things I've done in the past. How is it doing now? We're gonna have top 5 videos, like top 5 best mods to put on your EcoBoost, like me, and trust me, I'm over 200,000 miles with no issues, so they're good mods. So just things like that. There is going to be a shop tour, because me and my buddy, we got a shop this year for the winter because it was dark and cold, and we need somewhere to work. So I'll be getting a tour video out of our shop that we have, as well as I got a shed that we built like 2 years or 3 years ago that needs the interior finished up. I want to put some drywall in and put some cool lights and decoration, make it like an awesome man cave. So yeah, I expect some shop videos as well. And the property, my parents bought a 6-acre property a couple years ago, so I'm gonna keep I guess like making some property videos on that and some cool things I put out there. Like, I think it'd be cool to make a little hangout spot. So right now we got a cool sick bonfire, but I want to string some lights, as well as, I don't even know, just cool property stuff. I haven't thought too much about that because the weather's just now turning nice, so my gears will get turning on what we can do out at the property here soon. But also, I got a jet ski from my aunt last year. Took it out in the spring. Absolute blast. Super fast, super fun. Second time I took it out, timing chain snapped in half. So took it all apart, sent the head off to the machine shop, didn't get it back till the end of summer. Was like, I'm not gonna put this together over winter, because that's when snowmobile stuff started to pop up. So it is now springtime, and this thing is gonna go into the shop, and the jet ski is gonna come into here, so we can throw that all back together. So expect some sick jet ski videos, as well as I did film some last summer that I'll get edited up of us transforming it from a red one to a blue one, which it looks super sick now. So just small little updates like that. Our videos like that are going to be what you're going to be seeing this year as we try and complete this goal. And yeah, there might be some snowmobile stuff. I got 3 snowmobiles now. 2 are Polaris Indies, and then one's a YZX 670 2-cylinder, so that thing's a ripper, and it's yellow and it's pretty fast. So there'll be some videos on that, but those won't be probably till the fallish. So yep, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video and are excited for all the videos that I'm going to be having coming out here soon. I'm super stoked to try and do this goal. It's going to be so hard. It's probably going to be one of the hardest goals I've ever done in my life, but it's going to be worth it. And so I'm excited to see where we go, because we're going to have literally 259 videos before 2027 then. And right now we're at 3,700 subscribers, and I'm excited to see what kind of follower base we can gain with that consistency and discipline with those videos. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all these videos coming up. I already got a ton of them filmed, so now it's just edit. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Peace out. Bye.